Boeing stock is jumping almost 10% today after the management team said that next year they'll be able to, and they got approval to increase deliveries of their planes. And that's been a constraint on the company ever since they had their difficulties and challenges and regulators clamped down on their production capabilities. So does that make Boeing stock a buy for 2026 and beyond? I'll answer that question in this video by looking at the company's critically important financial metrics and sharing with you my calculation on a fair value for the stock and looking at the valuation on a market multiples basis. So looking back, you can see Boeing's revenue has been volatile. Most notably, you notice the big declines in 2020 when travel and people coming together into small planes, that was highly discouraged, and so travel and plane demand was decreased in those years. But looking longer term, Boeing has a backlog of hundreds of billions of dollars. That means Boeing investors have foresight into what the company's revenue will look like for many years in the future, and customers that want to get one of Boeing's planes, they have to order it today and hope to get it in 5 years if they're lucky. Most likely it's going to take 10 years if you order a plane today by the time you can get your plane. And it's like that at other providers as well. This is a limited competitive industry with limited supply. Dominant players like Boeing and Airbus have backlogs of billions of dollars in several years. That's an attractive position to be in when you're a company, but it also is a highly regulated industry, and that's been Boeing's reason for not generating excellent revenue here in the 2025 because of regulations that have limited the company's ability to manufacture. And that's why I mentioned in the introduction, when the management team said they got approval to increase manufacturing capacity, that was great news, and that sent share prices up by 10%. That's the biggest constraint for the company. Can they effectively manufacture and deliver these planes in the agreed upon timelines? And if they can, then the company will generate great profits because they already have sales going out several years. So it's their ability to manufacture effectively that will determine the investor returns over the next several years. Click the link below to watch the full video.